Hi you guys, this is Tony. Here comes Amtrak Texas Eagle 22 here. Want to apologize for missing some stuff earlier going north because I overslept and I forgot to turn on my computer in time. So I want to apologize for that, but I want to apologize for missing some of the stuff. It got a little too late, but here comes Amtrak and later I'll see you in happening. That's an interesting horn there. there goes Amtrak Texas Eagle 22 passing by, and you got southbounder coming by, and then some other stuff is suspected as well. So gonna get some stuff in, and then I have to leave afterwards. Bye bye.